Today we are going to learn a very important or interesting topic, that is codominance. As we know that in human beings it is blood groups are A, B, AB and O. Four major blood groups are there. Four blood groups are there. So these is controlled by gene I. Gene I has three alleles: IA, IB and I. Now what happens in this gene? The plasma membrane of RBC has sugar polymers that protrude. Protrude means they just come out from its surface. This kind of sugar is controlled by gene I. Okay, means the type of the plasma membrane is having a sugar. So if any change in this type of sugar structure will lead to the formation of a different type of allele. ठीक है, because of different allele different type of sugar formation will be there. Protrudence will be different. Okay, the protrudence, the type of protrudence the sugar polymer is having on the plasma membrane will be different because of the allele, which some IA will be more protrudence, then IB will be more protruded, like that, or I will not have any protrudence. Now what happens in this, I will tell you. The table showing genetic basis of blood groups in human beings. Allele from parent 1, allele from parent 2, genotype of offspring, blood type of offspring. Now if from parent 1 IA is coming, from parent 2 IA is coming, the genotype will be IA and IA, and resultant of blood group will be A. Similarly, if parent it is coming A and a second parent is coming B, then the genotype will be IA and IB, whereas the blood group will be AB. Again, if it is IA, I, simple small I, because it will not have any sugar polymer, so it is shown like this. Means A is a type of sugar polymer structure, B is a type of sugar polymer structure, and IA will not have any such type of changed structure. It will not have any such type of structure. So it will have a simple I, so small I. So resultant, as I will be dominant over the, means the characteristic will be dominant over the small I, because there is no such type of change in the sugar polymer, no protrudence. So I will be dominating the genotype. As a result, the blood type will be A type. Again, if it is B and A, then AB and AB. So here it is, we are learning the topic codominance, AB and AB. Here we are learning the concept of codominance, that we know the dominance. This indicated dominance, IA and small I, it indicated dominance. Then what about the AB? Neither of the two blood groups or the gene, the allele were dominant over each other. Neither A is dominant over B nor B is dominant over A. Both are equal. So it is called as codominance. Both the characteristics will be seen. The characteristic of both the alleles will be seen in the blood group. So it is called as codominance. Likewise B, simply B, BI is B, and if it is no such type of sugar polymer structure change is there, then the blood group will be called as blood group O. So this is we are learning, but the point of interest is AB, that we have only heard that out of the two, one will be visible, but here we are seeing that out of the two will be visible, because both are dominant over each other. So it is called as codominance. So accordingly, the genotype, how many genotypes are formed? 6 genotypes are formed. And what is the blood group? Blood group will be 4. There are 4 blood groups will be there according to this table. Okay, if it is asked to explain codominance, you should write all this and write the table also, so that it will be more clear in this. Okay, this was about the, and it also indicates the concept of multiple allele. Okay, it also indicates the concept of multiple allele, because more than two characters if a gene is showing, then it is called as multiple allele. Okay, this was about codominance.